And there we have release, and ignition of Spaceship 2 VSS Unity on the way to space. Jack, look at that. That is awesome. You can see the vehicle pitching up, heading to space. VSS Unity now pitching up towards space. Again, they're going to fly basically straight up. It's a suborbital flight. Carrier aircraft banking away, heading back towards the spaceport. Jack's going to have to move his camera pretty much straight up, so Jack's going to adjust his camera here. There it is. It will continue to fire its motor till it has enough velocity to reach the U.S. definition of space, 80 kilometers, a little bit higher than that.
Shutdown.
And there we have shutdown.
I don't know. I wasn't timing it, but that
I wasn't
seemed
timing
like
it either.
a long burn, so I'm assuming that was full duration. But all looks nominal so far from what we can tell, but we don't have official information.
Keep an eye on Twitter. Virgin Galactic will hopefully confirm that burn was